Looking for a local locksmith? Call us for a free estimate. Need a transponder key repaired or replaced? We do them for less. Looking for 24/7 emergency service? We're fast, 15 minutes or less. Did your key break off in the lock? We can get it out without ruining your lock. Locked out, we'll get you in fast. If it has a lock and key, we can fix it, we can upgrade it. We do it fast, we do it right, and we do it for less. And we accept all major credit cards. We're licensed, insured, we're local. We guarantee your satisfaction. Call us for a better locksmith experience.